Welcome to Nature with Aristotle, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of natural science. Today, we're going on an adventure to learn about one of North America's most iconic creatures, the grizzly bear. Let's start with a definition. What is a grizzly bear? In everyday language, a grizzly bear is a subspecies of brown bear that's known for its muscular build, distinctive silver-tipped fur, and powerful claws. But why is this species significant in the natural world? Well, grizzly bears play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. They're apex predators, which means they have no natural enemies in the wild, and they help to regulate the populations of other animals, like elk and moose. Grizzly bears have been roaming the wilderness for thousands of years. Fossil records show that they've been present in North America since the Pleistocene era, around 10,000 years ago. The first scientific documentation of grizzly bears dates back to the early 19th century, when European explorers and naturalists began to study and describe these magnificent creatures. From a biological perspective, grizzly bears belong to the family Ursidae and are classified as Ursus arctos horribilis. They're found in a variety of habitats, including forests, tundras, and mountainous regions, and they're known for their adaptability and omnivorous diet. Key researchers, like Dr. Charles Jonkel and Dr. Stephen Herrero, have made significant contributions to our understanding of grizzly bear behavior, ecology, and conservation. One fascinating aspect of grizzly bear biology is their hibernation pattern. During the winter months, grizzly bears will slow down their metabolism, reducing their heart rate from 40-50 beats per minute to just 8-10 beats per minute. This adaptation allows them to conserve energy and survive on stored fat reserves until spring arrives. Researchers have also discovered that grizzly bears have an excellent memory, which helps them recall the location of food sources, like berry patches and salmon streams. Grizzly bears are also dedicated parents, with mothers teaching their cubs essential survival skills, like hunting and foraging. In fact, studies have shown that mother grizzly bears will often take their cubs on educational walks, showing them which plants to eat and how to catch fish. This close bond between mother and cub is critical for the cub's survival, as it learns important skills that will help it thrive in the wild. But grizzly bears don't exist in isolation. They interact with their environment and other species in complex and fascinating ways. For example, they play a crucial role in seed dispersal and nutrient cycling, helping to maintain the health of their ecosystems. They also have a symbiotic relationship with certain plants, like the whitebark pine tree, which relies on grizzly bears to spread its seeds. Unfortunately, grizzly bears face numerous environmental challenges, including habitat loss, climate change, and human conflict. As a result, conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats. The good news is that, with continued research, education, and community engagement, we can work towards ensuring the long-term survival of grizzly bears. In conclusion, grizzly bears are an incredible species that play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. Through their impressive adaptability, omnivorous diet, and dedicated parenting, they help to shape their ecosystems and promote biodiversity. As we learn more about these amazing animals, we're reminded of the importance of respecting and preserving the natural world. As I reflect on my own experiences studying grizzly bears in the wild, I'm struck by their intelligence, strength, and beauty. From observing them roam freely in their habitats to learning about their complex social behaviors, it's clear that these animals have much to teach us about living in harmony with nature. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.